Stop letting important tasks get lost in the digital shuffle. Today, we're going to show you how to create a supercharged workflow by connecting Asana and Notion. First, let's head over to Asana and make sure you're logged in. Navigate to the specific project where you want to establish the Notion connection. This is where you'll be embedding your Notion information. Now, look for the Customize button, usually near the top right of your project view. Click on it, and you'll see a sidebar pop open. From that sidebar, select that app to explore available integrations. Scroll down in the app list until you find Notion and give it a click. This will initiate the connection process between the two platforms. Click the prominent Add to Asana button. This action will redirect you to your Notion workspace, prompting you to grant Asana access. In Notion, you'll see a permission request. Carefully select the specific Notion pages or databases you want to connect to your Asana project. Granting access only to necessary pages enhances security and keeps your workspace organized. And there you have it. Your chosen Notion page is now seamlessly embedded within your Asana project. You can now view and interact with your Notion content directly from Asana, keeping everything in one place. This works the other way around too, linking Asana tasks into Notion pages for ultimate productivity.